buy-to-let mortgage rates are at the lowest point since 2022. So this is an article published a few days ago by the Property Industry Eye. And look, you can see here, average fixed rates are per month, both over a 2-year or 5-year fixed term, standing at their lowest point since September 2022. This is according to moneyfactscompare.co.uk. So what they're saying is 6 months ago, these rates were the highest on Moneyfacts electronic records. Overall, buy-to-let product availability, fixed and variable, has fallen month on month. However, compared to 6 months ago, there are around 250 more options. So this is really good news for landlords or potential property investors, because the way lenders assess how much you can borrow for a buy-to-let property, so a rental property, is something called a rental stress test. Now, this differs if you're buying in your personal name or via a limited company. But the rental stress test and the product rates that are being offered will determine how much you can borrow as a mortgage loan. Now, historically, you could get a mortgage typically with 25% deposit on a property and get a 75% mortgage loan from the mortgage lender because the rental stress tests were lower because the product rates were lower. Now, what we're seeing in my part of the world, which is London, is landlords are having to put that between 35 and 40% just to be able to get property that they want to purchase, because the rental stress tests that their lenders are applying are not strong enough because the products are at a higher rate. So with the rates coming down, being lower than what they previously were, this means that the rental stress tests applied by the mortgage lenders will be lower because the product rates are being lower, which means typically you will have to put less deposit down for a rental property if you were looking to purchase. Not only is this a benefit for potential landlords or current property investors, it helps current landlords, so if they're looking to refinance, so remortgaging. Because even when you're remortgaging, lenders will look at your current mortgage balance, the property value, the type of product that you're taking, and that will determine the rental stress test applied. Now, if the mortgage balance and the rental for that property meets the lender's rental stress test, you will be able to remortgage to an alternative lender, subject to the valuer confirming the property value and the anticipated rental income for that property. What we were previously seeing was that a lot of current landlords were unable to refinance to alternative mortgage lenders within the market because the rental stress tests were so high, because the products were so high. So this is great news, because remember, not always your existing lender offers you the best products. Sometimes there's better products out there. Now, if previously you couldn't meet those lenders' rental stress tests and you could now, could potentially mean you could get a better product offering than what your existing lenders are offering you. So it's worth exploring those options if your mortgage is up for renewal within the next 6 months. So I want to hear from any potential landlords, any potential investors, and any current landlords. Have the rates reducing helped you purchase your rental property? Have they helped you refinance to an alternative lender and get a better product offering than what your existing lender is offering you? Let me know in the comments.